Hello, today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon duck. All you need is a drawing pencil, black, yellow, and an orange marker pen. Okay, let's start drawing. Using the drawing pencil, start by drawing half of the circle for the head and draw an oval shape for the nose. Underneath the oval shape, draw the wing as shown on the video. Followed by legs and then the tail. Draw the eyes and the nose. Using the black marker pen, outline your drawing as shown. Finally, use the orange marker pen, color in the nose and the legs as I draw. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.